What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you live for that feeling of stepping off a plane into a brand new country, ready for an insane adventure. But let's be real, a trip can go from incredible to a total disaster if you don't have the right gear. I've literally spent thousands of dollars and traveled hundreds of thousands of miles to figure out what actually works and what's just a waste of money. So today, we're gonna fix that for you, once and for all. I went out and bought the 10 most game-changing travel essentials on the planet. Alright, first up, we have what I consider to be the undisputed champion of luggage organization, packing cubes. Now, you might be looking at these and thinking, Trip, they're just little bags, what's the big deal? And you would be so wrong. These things are like a magic trick for your suitcase. Before I started using these, my bag was a complete nightmare. I'd have to dig through everything just to find one pair of socks. It was a complete waste of time. You can dedicate one cube for shirts, one for pants, one for underwear, and socks. You get the idea. Instead of one giant messy pile, you have these neat little blocks of clothing. You can pull out exactly what you need without disturbing anything else. I can find any item of clothing in my suitcase in under 5 seconds. 5 seconds. I can fit almost twice as much stuff in the same bag just by using these. Don't even think about it, just get them. Next on the list, vertical bar. This could literally save your trip. Vertical bar from being a complete failure. This is the universal travel adapter, not the cheap single country airport adapter. An all-in-one powerhouse vertical bar works in over 150 countries. Take it to Europe, take it to Asia, take it to Australia, you name it, and you will always be able to charge your stuff. You land after a 12-hour flight, your phone is on 1%, you need to call your hotel, or pull up a map. You get to your room, you pull out your charger vertical bar, and the plug doesn't fit the wall. It's happened to me. One of the most stressful feelings. You're basically stranded. This little device completely eliminates that problem. It has slidable prongs and switches vertical bar. Configure it for any outlet type. It's like a puzzle that always has a solution. Modern ones are even better. They don't just have one plug. The one I use has 4 USB ports and a USB-C port built right in. You can charge your phone, your camera, your power bank, your headphones, all at the same time. This is a massive game changer in hotel rooms with 1 or 2 sockets. You don't have to choose between charging your phone or your camera battery overnight. Invest in a high-quality universal adapter. It provides peace of mind. This one small item keeps your entire digital life running, no matter what continent you're on. Okay, you have your adapter for the hotel room, but what about when you're out exploring for 12 hours straight? Google Maps, taking photos and videos, posting to Instagram. Your phone's battery is going to die, I guarantee it. That's where this beast comes in. This is a portable power bank, your lifeline away from a wall socket. You need one with massive capacity. At least 20,000 milliamp hours. It can charge your smartphone 0 to full, 4, 5, even 6 times. Multi-day hiking trip off the grid, still fully charged. Insane amount of power in the palm of your hand. Not just your phone, headphones, GoPro, drone, Kindle, multiple devices via USB. It's a portable power station for all of your essential electronics. I never ever leave for a trip without one of these in my day pack. It's as essential as my passport and my wallet. The peace of mind it gives you is priceless. Knowing that you will not run out of battery is a superpower for a traveler. Stay connected, stay safe, capture every single moment. If you buy one thing from this list, buy this. Do not underestimate the power of having unlimited power. This next item is so clever it's going to blow your mind. We all know you need to stay hydrated, but carrying a big, bulky water bottle is a huge pain. This is a collapsible water bottle. It's made from super durable, food-grade silicone. When it's full, it works like a normal bottle. Once you finish the water, you can literally roll it up, squish it down, and it becomes this tiny little disc that you can fit in your pocket or clip to your bag. It's a simple, brilliant solution to a common travel problem. Traveling can be loud. Crying babies on airplanes, loud announcements, engine noise, city traffic. It's exhausting and makes it impossible to relax or get any sleep. But what if you could press a button and make all of that noise just melt away? That's exactly what these do. These are noise-canceling headphones, and they are your personal sanctuary. Tiny microphones on the outside listen to ambient sound and then create an opposite sound wave to cancel it out. The first time you flip the switch, it's jaw-dropping. POV, you put them on, and the loud ambient audio suddenly cuts to near silence. The low, constant rumble of a plane engine just vanishes. It's pure silence. A 14-hour flight goes from torturous to peaceful. Watch a movie without cranking the volume or just enjoy the silence. Use them on a noisy bus, a crowded train, or a loud cafe. They create a pocket of calm in the middle of chaos. I literally cannot travel without these anymore. Arriving at your destination feeling rested instead of frazzled is a complete game changer. They are definitely an investment, but the value you get in comfort and rest is worth every single penny. If you want to arrive ready for adventure, you need to block out the noise that drains you. Okay, let's talk about something that gives every traveler anxiety: airport security. Specifically, the liquids rule. We've all been there, frantically trying to find tiny bottles, hoping our full-size shampoo doesn't get thrown in that trash can by the TSA. It's a pre-made travel toiletry kit with TSA-compliant refillable bottles. This is how you breeze through security every single time. They are under the 100 milliliter or 3.4 ounce limit and usually come in a clear quart-sized bag, exactly what security requires. Okay, a towel might seem like a weird thing to pack. Yes, but this isn't just any towel. This is a quick-dry microfiber towel. It's super lightweight, packs down to the size of a fist, and dries way faster than a cotton towel. Imagine a waterfall mid-hike. You jump in, dry off with your quick-dry towel, and by the time you're ready to hike on, it's practically dry. Heading to the beach, hostel bunk, or using it as a blanket, pillow, sunshade, you'll find a million uses. Doesn't go mildewy. Hang it up for about 30 minutes and it's bone dry and back in your bag. Massive utility for almost no space or weight. Massive utility and freedom to say yes. Okay, this next one isn't flashy or high-tech, but it could be the most important thing in your bag. This is a first aid kit. Getting a small cut, a blister from walking all day, or a headache, being unprepared for these tiny problems is a rookie mistake. Band-aids in various sizes, antiseptic wipes to clean a cut, pain relievers for headaches or muscle aches, blister pads, a lifesaver, antihistamines for unexpected allergic reactions. You can buy these pre-made or assemble your own. You'll be grateful when you're in a foreign country and can't explain a blister to a pharmacist. Having these simple items means you can deal with minor issues instantly and get right back to enjoying your trip. We've talked about blocking out sound. But what about actual physical comfort? Trying to sleep sitting upright in a cramped airplane or bus seat is basically a form of torture. Your head keeps falling forward, you get a horrible crick in your neck, and you arrive feeling sore. A good travel pillow, memory foam or inflatable, molds to your neck or packs down to a soda can. My favorite supports the chin so your head doesn't bob forward. Using one of these is the difference between zero sleep and several hours of actual quality rest. It allows you to drift off and wake up feeling refreshed, not in pain. You can arrive at your destination and be ready to explore. Invest in a good pillow, your neck and your entire vacation will thank you. Last but definitely not least, we need to talk about protecting your most valuable assets, your money and identity. Thieves can use a scanner to read your cards through your pocket. It's called digital pickpocketing, and it's a huge problem. This is an RFID blocking wallet. It looks and feels like a normal wallet, but it's lined with a special material that blocks those radio signals. This shield blocks scanners, making it impossible for anyone to steal your card information wirelessly. It's like a force field for your finances. You're in crowded tourist areas, subways, markets. You wouldn't even know it happened until you check your bank statement and see fraudulent charges. This wallet prevents that nightmare scenario. It's an inexpensive way to get total peace of mind, and there you have it. Those are my top 10 absolute essential travel items that will completely change the way you explore the world. What is the one travel item you can't live without? Comment down below, smash that like button, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for watching. Now go book a flight, pack your bags, and have a safe and incredible adventure. I'll see you in the next video.